Start by turning off the power switch and also shutting off the breaker. Open up the motor bay door. Unlatch both latches to free the motor. Pick up the motor and gently place it down. Locate the set screws that hold on the blade. Here you can see the wear on a used blade that needs to be replaced. Loosen the two bottom set screws. Remove the old blade. Remove the motor mount seal. Replace with new seal. Locate the divot on your new blade. Be sure to line up with set screw. Tighten bottom two set screws. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Set the motor back into place. Be sure to line up the hopper door limit switch. Relatch the motor into place. Close the motor bay door. Unlatch the funnel to find the funnel seal. Remove the funnel seal. Replace with new funnel seal. Relatch the funnel. Pull back the arm of the limit switch and remove the filter. Replace with new filter with the airflow arrow pointing to the left. Thank you for watching. If you are in need of any of these parts, there will be a link in the description below to our online shopping cart.